How to change background in Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can add background to your Instagram story. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add a background to your Instagram story, go ahead and then open the Instagram app. Now whenever you choose a story, by default, let's say I select a picture, the background accent is going to be chosen automatically, and if I have to change the background, I'll just try to use the filter, but that will also change the color of the photo and the whole point of it. So in order to go ahead and then actually change our background, what we will do is first we will choose a background. So it could be this blank image right over here. We're going to convert this into any of the colors that we want to select as a background. To do that, just tap on the draw tool from the very top right hand side of the screen, and then here just pick a color that you would like the background to have. So if I select the purple color over here, after I choose the purple color, just long press on this background and it will be turned to the color that you want to change to. And once you've saved the color, now it is time to add photos. But as you can see, this was a photo and we do not have the option to add photos. So in order to add photos or pictures, tap on the sticker icon from the very top of the screen now, and you have to select the photos that you want to add. To do that, you have to just tap on the plus button over here. This plus button is a photos filter. Now you can just go ahead and choose the photos. You can give it a round corner, you can also give it a sharp corner, you can turn it into a round shape, you can also turn it into a square shape, you can turn it into a heart shape, and you can also turn it into a star shape. Now by default it will be in a rounded corner, which is basically anything that you want to. But now you can see the background color is not going to follow the accent of this image because we chose the background manually. And that's all it takes to change background on Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon in our next video.